Kitchen chemistry, substituting cream of tartar.
Hello, and welcome to today's video on kitchen chemistry. Today, we're going to discuss a question that many bakers come across. Can I substitute cream of tartar with other ingredients in a recipe? The short answer is yes, you absolutely can. But let's dig a little deeper to understand how you can do this effectively.
What is cream of tartar?
First things first, it's important to know what cream of tartar is. Cream of tartar is a byproduct of winemaking, also known as potassium bitartrate. It's often used in baking to stabilize egg whites and creams, prevent sugar crystals from forming, and act as a leavening agent when combined with baking soda. Now, let's move on to the possible substitutes.
What can I substitute for cream of tartar?
The best substitute depends on what you're using the cream of tartar for. Here are some options. 1. Lemon juice or white vinegar. If the cream of tartar is being used as a leavening agent, you can replace it with lemon juice or white vinegar. For every 1/2 teaspoon of cream of tartar in the recipe, use 1 teaspoon lemon juice or white vinegar. 2. Baking powder. If cream of tartar is being used with baking soda as a leavening agent, you can use baking powder instead. For every 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and 5/8 teaspoon of cream of tartar, you can use 1 teaspoon of baking powder. 3. Buttermilk or yogurt. When cream of tartar is used to prevent sugar crystallization, you can substitute liquid in your recipe with buttermilk or yogurt. Remember, when substituting ingredients, the texture and taste of your baked goods may change slightly.
Are there any risks in substituting cream of tartar?
While substitution is possible, it's also important to understand the potential risks. Substituting cream of tartar may alter the texture and taste of your recipes. Acidic ingredients like lemon juice and vinegar might add a tangy flavor, while using buttermilk or yogurt instead of regular milk could make your baked goods more tender or moist. In conclusion, yes, you can substitute cream of tartar with other ingredients in a recipe, but always be mindful of the original purpose of cream of tartar in the recipe and choose your substitute accordingly. I hope this video has made your baking adventures a little easier. Remember, baking is a science, but it's also an art. Feel free to experiment and find what works best for you. Happy baking!